Let's talk about nose blindness and why this is important to you. First, let's talk about what nose blindness is. It's when you get so used to a smell that you don't smell it. And in general, people are talking about nose blindness as if they come in your home and your home has a smell. That's the mixture of your own personal body odor and perfumes and such that you have in your home. And therefore, your home smells like that. You're in your home all the time, so you don't smell this smell. You get used to it. Kind of like a cigarette smoker doesn't smell that they stink that bad. So that's what nose blindness is. But this is what happened. I'm a 30-year professional house cleaner, okay? And about 16 years into it, I had cancer. And this is what I learned from cancer that I wish everybody would know. Before the cancer, when I cleaned houses, I would use a lot of cleaners. I thought when that customer comes in and they smell this big blast of, clean, scent or lavender scent, whatever scent, that they would go, wow, this is really clean because I smell a lot of cleaners. But actually what happened, after I had cancer, I started to think, maybe I should switch out a few to some natural cleaners. Let's see how they work. Do they even work good? Do they smell good? I just tested them out. But what I found out is after switching just a few cleaners, let's say for instance, a all-purpose cleaner. An all-purpose cleaner, you clean 80% of your home with that cleaner. So you clean 80% of your home with a more natural cleaner. What happens? Well, this is what happened to me. When I started to smell the old cleaners that I used that weren't clean, I would smell them really strong, almost like they were sickening strong. And so I realized that I got nose blindness from all the cleaners that I use. Now, I didn't switch out all the cleaners. I still use some strong cleaners because I am a cleaning lady. I do need oven cleaner. I only am talking about 4 cleaners that is going to really change the way that you smell, and it's going to reset your nose. Once you strip all those chemical smells from your nose, it's going to reset it. You're going to be a lot more sensitive, a normal sensitivity to the smells of cleaners. Now here are the 3 cleaners that I switched out. My dish soap. And I'm telling you, when I go to a customer's house and I spray a little bit of their dish soap, I can really smell it. Before, I never even smelt dish soap. I promise you. And for an all-purpose cleaner, I switched out my all-purpose cleaner because you clean 80% of your home with this. Okay, and it reset my nose, so it smells good, it smells nice and natural. And now when I go smell one of those stronger cleaners in a house or something, or a restaurant, it's very off-putting. It's too strong because my nose have been set to the natural point where it needs to be. I also switched out my laundry soap to a natural soap, and instead of using fabric softener, I use vinegar now. This works just as good, it's cheaper, and it reset my nose blindness. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and this really helps you or challenges you just to start with one. That's all I started with, was 1 cleaner, and then I switched out the 4. That's the only 4 natural cleaners I use. The rest of the stuff I do use some heavier lifting cleaners because it saves time with cleaning. But that is like the majority of the cleaners that you are using and smelling, and boy will they make a difference. So I'm really challenging you to just try out one of these or all 4 of these, and let me know in the comments if you're going to try this challenge to reset your nose blindness, and which one do you think that you will start with. And I am going to have some more videos on the natural cleaners that I like, why, how to use them, and how they can actually save you money over the store-bought cleaners. And they work just as good. So if you like this kind of cleaning advice or knowledge, I would love for you to like and subscribe and come back and support my channel and let me know what what you want to know more about, because I am absolutely here for you.